Hello, welcome back to my channel, Alex Upgrade Show. Please tell me, what do you say when you don't have any information? I don't know. What time does the store close? I don't know. Where is John? I don't know. What are you doing tomorrow? I don't know. There is absolutely nothing wrong with I don't know. But native speakers use lots of different expressions depending on the situation. And before we start, if you want to sound more naturally and make your English better, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit like button. I make practical English lessons so you can make your English better. So let's get started. Let's start with the easiest one. I'm not sure. Use this when you have some information, but you don't have information for certain. For example, what time does the meeting start? I'm not sure, around 3? Notice the difference. I don't know means you don't have any information, and I'm not sure, you have some information, but you are not certain. Number 2 is my favorite. I have no idea. It's much stronger than I don't know. Imagine someone asks, "Where are my keys?" I have no idea. Good luck finding your keys. Number 3. I'm not sure about that. It is useful when someone gives you information and you really think that is not true. For example, English grammar is easy. I'm not sure about that. You're politely saying, maybe, but I don't completely agree with you. Who knows? We use this when really no one knows the answer. For example, will it rain tomorrow? Who knows? Will I be rich in 10 years? Who knows? Hopefully, but for now, who knows? Now, let's make it more interesting. Your guess is as good as mine. One more time. Your guess is as good as mine. A little bit faster. Your guess is as good as mine. This expression means I don't know either. When is the boss coming back? 3? Your guess is as good as mine. It doesn't mean that your guess is actually good. It means you are both confused. Number 6. I haven't got a clue. Clue is information that helps you to find the answer. So, if you don't have a clue, you really don't know. For example, why Wi-Fi isn't working? I haven't got a clue. Number 7. I couldn't tell you. It can be confusing. You are not hiding information, but you really don't know. It's real natural. For example, do you know how much does this house cost? I couldn't tell. Or, when did they move here? I couldn't tell. And finally, slang expression. Beats me. Beats me simply means I don't know. It's kinda defeats your mind. For example, why did he do that? Beats me. Where did my phone go? Beats me. But it's really informal. If your boss asks you, why is this report late? Don't answer, beats me, please. It's not the best career move. Mini test. Okay, let's see what you remember. So, number 1. You have some information, but you are not certain. I'm not sure. Number 2. You absolutely have zero information. I haven't got a clue. 3. Nobody knows the answer. Who knows? 4. 2 people are confused. Your guess as good as mine. And number 5, slang version. Beats me. Where Where are my subscribers? Beats me. So, should you stop saying I don't know? No, absolutely no. But now you have more options. You can say I haven't got a clue, or beats me, or your guess is good as mine. So you have many other options and you will sound natural. Now, tell me in the comments, which expression was new for you? And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you want to continue to grow and upgrade your English. So keep going, keep practicing. See you next time.